Here's how to fix YouTube sound if it's not working on Android. Now, if you're trying to listen to a video, but you can't hear anything, I'm going to walk you through some steps to definitely get that fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is swipe up because we'll need to get into your settings. So tap on settings here. And the first thing that we'll do is we'll go to your sound option. So scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now there are a few different things that we'll do in here. You can see it's currently set to mute. I want to switch this to sound. However, you can see I also have do not disturb turned on, which might limit my ability to hear things. So I'm going to swipe down and toggle off do not disturb. Now, once I go back into my settings, I can see system sound midway down. Just tap on that. Now you can see system sound. I'm going to turn this up a little bit. You can see about midway up, I'll turn it up to there. And then I'll go back and I'll choose volume here. Once I choose volume, you'll be able to see the second option is media, which is essentially all of the YouTube videos. So I'm going to turn this volume up and you can see I can hear it very clearly. Now, I've turned on the sound, so that's not an issue. The next thing I'll check is to see if my phone, my Android phone, is connected to a third-party Bluetooth speaker. So I'll swipe down, and I will toggle off Bluetooth here. Just turn off Bluetooth. And after you've done that, you can make sure that the sound is not connected to a speaker or headphone somewhere. After we've done that, we'll go back into your settings. If it's still not working, we'll go into the YouTube app itself. So let's go back out of here and we'll scroll down and we're going to find the apps section and tap on that. And then scroll down to the very bottom until we get to YouTube. Tap on YouTube here and we'll do a few things in here. The first thing I would recommend doing is scrolling down to storage and tapping on clear cache as well as clear data. Basically, this will reset the YouTube app, including all of the temporary data. Now, if that doesn't fix it, the next thing you can do is hit force stop and OK. And then just go through and open up the YouTube app again, basically by force stopping it and starting it back up again. That fixes a lot of bugs. The last thing I would recommend doing in here is to tap on the three dots at the top right and hit uninstall updates and OK. After we've done that, all you need to do is go back to YouTube here, go down to the bottom, and you can see this is the current version. I can hit open to try to open it, and you can see it says got it, and I'll hit allow, and I can go through the process of watching it and seeing if the sound works at that point. If none of these work, the last thing I would recommend doing is swiping down from the top right and tapping on the power button and just restarting your phone. You'd be surprised how many times just restarting your phone fixes a lot of bugs and glitches, including not having any sound that you can hear from the YouTube app. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.